Now, kids, let's listen a story of the foolish crow. One day, a crow saw some cheese. The cheese was on a bird table. The crow sat on a rooftop of a house. The crow took the cheese. He went to a tree. He was going to eat the cheese. A hungry fox saw the crow. He wanted the cheese. He had a good idea. "Hello, Mrs. Crow," he said. "You look pretty." The crow was very pleased. She nodded her head. "Oh, Mrs. Crow," said the fox, "you must be a lovely singer." The crow was very pleased. She tried to sing. The cheese fell. The fox ran off with it and ate it. Hope you liked this story. Learn at your convenience and subscribe, little souls. And follow us on TikTok, Insta, and Facebook. Thank you. And don't forget to download story from a link in the description.